Trade, commerce, and industry. Industry, trade, commerce are three core parts of business. Industry makes goods, trades buys and sells them. Commerce moves them from makers and to buyers with the help of from service like bank and trucks. Turn raw material into useful goods. Builds produce in factories. What is the difference between trade, commerce, and industry? Industry creates goods. Commerce moves and distributes goods to people. Trade is the actual buying and selling part of that movement. Trade sits inside commerce, and commerce works alongside industry to build complete economy. What it does make and grows things industry. Main job turn raw parts into finished product. Examples cars, factories, farms, and steel mills. What is the commerce industry? Industry and commerce are two main parts of the country economic system. Industry makes and creates goods from raw material, while commerce distributes and sells those goods. People who use to them. What is industry? Focus on production. Takes raw item and turn them uh, into useful products. Include farming, mining, and factory works. Need a high amount of the money to start. What are four main types of industries? The four main types of industry are primary, extracting raw material; secondary, manufacturing and construction; tertiary, providing service; and quarterly, knowledge-based and technology service. These categories span every part of modern economic chain. Primary industries. Primary industries focus getting natural resource straight from the earth sea. Example farming, fishing, mining, and industry. What are three types of commerce? Three types of commerce: electronic and general. Commerce model based on who is buying and selling, or business to business, business to consumer, and consumer to consumer. What do you mean by industry? An industry is a group of companies or business that makes the same kind of goods or offer the same types of service. Example include the car industry, tech industry, or the hospitality industry. Types of industry: primary, getting raw material from the earth like farming, mining, and fishing. Secondary, turning raw material into finished product like building cars, making clothes. Tertiary, providing service like banking, healthcare, and tourism. What are the main three objects in commerce? The three main core objects of commerce academic stream are accountancy, business studies, and economics. These foundational topics are usually paired with language skills, English, and an optional elective such as mathematics of information practice. Accountancy teaches how to record, classify, and summarize financial transactions. Focus on preparing ledgers, trial balance, and final financial statements. What did industry mean? Industry is a group of companies, business that make similar products, offer similar service, or do the same type of work. It also means the general work of making goods in factories. What are types of trades? Trade is buying and selling of goods and service. It is split into two main groups based on where it happens: domestic trade within a country and international trade between countries. It is also split by scale, wholesale and retail. Domestic trade, buying and selling goods inside one country. It uses local money and local rules. International trade, buying and selling goods across different countries. It includes bringing goods in from another country. What is commerce called? Commerce is primarily called trade when referring to the direct exchange of goods and service of business when describing border commercial enterprises. It is also known as mercantile activity of traffic. Is legal and economic. Trade, the actual act of buying and selling. Acid to trade, support activity like transport, banking, insurance, warehousing that help exchange happen. E-commerce, buying and selling done online over the internet. What is commerce jobs? Commerce job is a professional role focused on business, trade, finance, accounting, or the exchange of goods and service. Common example include accountant, financial analytic, investment banker, marketing manager, and retail operator. These jobs help companies manage money, track record, and grow sales. Accountant, manage money records, audit files, and prepare tax form. Financial analysis, studies market data to help companies make smart investment. Marketing manager, plans our campaign and build strategy to sell products. What are 7 top industries? The top 7 largest industries in the world, market value and economic revenue include technology, financial service, healthcare, commerce and retail, energy, software and manufacture. Technology and semiconductors, hardware, micro and global tech infrastructure. Financial service, banking, investment, insurance and fintech. Healthcare and pharmaceutical, hospital, medical devices and drugs manufacturing. What is trade? Trade is the act of buying and selling or exchanging goods, service or assets between people, companies or country. The word can also mean specific job needs a special hand or mission skills or the transfer of player between sport teams. What is trade true? Trade to trade is a special segment in the stock market where every trade must end with actual delivery of share. You cannot trade these stocks in trading or square of position on the same day. Stock exchanges use this category to stop wild speculation and price manipulation. What is commerce in full? Commerce is a standard of English word then it does not have an official full form. Broadly defined, commerce is the large scale systematic exchange of goods, service and item of value between individual business and nation. It serves as the vital link connecting producer to financial consumers.